Hey guys, it's Faye. Um, Today I will be showing you how I made my own Meet the Artist. I've never done this before. I've always seen it around and I always wanted to make one, but I never really get to. So since it's 2020, why not now? As you can see here, I sketched my art in a sketchbook at first using a pink mechanical pencil, and then I drew it over with a regular pencil, and I scanned it with my Canon Pixma into my computer, and I transferred the image to Tool SAI. Tool SAI is my favorite program. It blends really well and it has really sharp ink and tools and everything. So I drew it over here and colored in here too. As you can tell, I use a customized tool, pen tool, sketch tool, provided by Kaizu-san, who is the Malaysian artist that I knew and befriended with. I used her settings to start drawing and inking my own arts, and it's really crisp and clean and I love it. My drawing usually is lopsided if I get to draw them by sketch, so using digital really helps adjust my mistakes. As you can tell right now, I'm still adjusting, and then I inked out with a different size pen with the same tool. It's just a different size, and I just start adding volume into my work. I don't really have a great fashion sense, honestly. I love fashion, but because I am overweight, most of the clothes won't fit me, so I end up wearing baggy clothes, and this is how I look in my daily life when I get to go out. The shirt that I drew it's based on my daughter's LOL doll, Sleepy Bones, and I really love the shirt so much that I made one of my own. I use fabric paint and stencils to color it up. I'm also having trouble which lipstick color that would fit me when I'm coloring my own. My hair is black and I usually bleach my hair. I have the intention of coloring my hair purple one day. I really love the color purple. It's my favorite color. But the situation won't let me right now because I'm living with my in-law. So they're a little strict. As you can tell, I love the color black as well. Most of my wardrobe is black because it fits with everything. This cardigan, the mustard colored cardigan, I got it from Japan back in 2016. Or is it 17? I can't tell anymore. It's one of my favorite cardigans, and it's really hard to find a really comfortable cardigan that I can find here in my country. My country is super hot, so wearing this actually is, well, not only that makes me feel warm, but it also makes me feel cool. And because Brunei is like super hot. A lot of people ask me how I color my works. Usually I'll just use a marker pen to mark where my shadows are, and I don't use like a shade lower to color my skin or most of my artworks. I usually go for the pinkish, dark pink, peach color. It has a little bit of red or purple in it. It really does give out the life in my arts. I love my cup of coffee, and I usually have them everywhere, even at work. The coffee mug that I'm holding is actually a coffee mug that I bought in Japan. It's customized too, but I guess I ran out of ideas what to draw on into my customized cup. Here are the stuff that I usually bring to work. As you can tell, I do bring a lot of stuff. Sometimes I have to carry about 3 bags to work. This dark pink or mauve, I can't really tell, dusty pink color bag. I actually got it from AliExpress, and it says orange, but it came in dark pink. But I don't really mind because it's one of my favorite colors anyway. I actually bought that for traveling to Japan very soon. That pencil case is one of my favorite pencil case. I got it in Singapore. I got it in from Typo, and it's been with me since. I just really love stars and moons and anything mystical, really. That wallet that I had is actually kind of like a coin pouch, but I made it into a wallet and put my money in. It's actually quite small. And that ducky coin pouch is the cutest, so I just have to buy it on my own. I've been bullet journaling for years, and this year I started to make the scrapbooking type of bullet journaling, and I have the intention of making my own Instagram account for that. So we'll just see. I'm still looking for names. Now I transferred my work into Photoshop, but I end up not liking the dark color, the background, because most of my stuff is dark. So I decided to make it more scrapbooky and a little lighter. So why not? I just usually I edit my photos, my arts in Photoshop, like text and lines and handwriting. I bleached my hair. I haven't done it for a few months now. I think more than a year, so I'm not gonna do that soon. So yeah, I just edit this out. Migraine pills. If you know me well, I have a terrible migraine. I'm still recovering from migraines and still trying to get used to migraines, but I've been doing really well lately. So yeah, as you can tell here, I'm a Leo and I'm a Gryffindor and a Team Instinct, even though sometimes I don't feel like I am a Gryffindor, but I might be a Gryffindor in some certain aspects. So I'm just writing down my likes and my dislikes. I don't really hate snakes. I think they're cute, but I'm scared of snakes, unfortunately. It's been like that for so many years. So I guess that's about it. If you have any questions on how I do my arts, or if you have any questions about me or anything, just ask. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to make more. Thanks. Bye.